is a city that is packed with endless entertainment options, from world-class shopping and dining to thrilling adventure activities and cultural attractions. If you're planning a short trip to Dubai and only have 48 hours to explore, it can be overwhelming trying to fit everything in. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing our top recommendations for how to make the most of your 48 hours in Dubai. From must-see landmarks and activities to the best places to eat and drink, we'll give you a jam-packed itinerary to ensure you have an unforgettable time in this vibrant city. So let's get started and make the most of your 48 hours in Dubai. But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. For your first day in Dubai, start with a visit to the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. Standing at over 828 meters tall, the Burj Khalifa is an engineering marvel and a must-see attraction in Dubai. You can take the elevator to the observation deck on the 124th floor, where you'll get a breathtaking view of the city. From here, you can see for miles in every direction, taking in the skyline of Dubai and the surrounding desert. After taking in the views from the Burj Khalifa, head to the Dubai Mall, the largest shopping mall in the world. With over 1,200 stores and a range of dining and entertainment options, you could easily spend a full day here. Some highlights of the Dubai Mall include the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, where you can walk through a tunnel and see a variety of marine life, and the Dubai Ice Rink, where you can lace up your skates and hit the ice. In the evening, make sure to catch the spectacular Dubai Fountain Show, located right in front of the Burj Khalifa. This choreographed water, music, and light show is a must-see attraction in Dubai, and it's free to watch. In the evening, treat yourself to a traditional Arabic meal at one of Dubai's many dining options. Whether you're in the mood for spicy shawarma or a decadent seafood feast, you'll find it all in Dubai. For your second day, we will provide you with two options. First option is to head to the desert for a day of adventure. Dubai is located in the heart of the Arabian Desert, and there are plenty of ways to explore this unique and beautiful landscape. One option is to go on a camel ride through the desert. You'll get to experience the traditional mode of transportation of the region and see the desert from a different perspective. Alternatively, you can try your hand at sandboarding, sliding down the dunes on a board similar to a snowboard. Another option is to go on a desert safari, a guided tour of the desert that typically includes a barbecue dinner and traditional entertainment. You can ride in a 4x4 vehicle or go on a camel safari for a more authentic experience. No matter how you choose to explore the desert, it's an experience you won't forget. If this is not how you expect your last day to be in Dubai, here is an alternative for you. Head to the top of the iconic Burj Al Arab, a luxury hotel shaped like a sail. Located on its own artificial island, the Burj Al Arab is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Dubai. You can visit the hotel and enjoy lunch or dinner at one of its restaurants, or just take in the breathtaking views from the top. The views from the Burj Al Arab are some of the best in the city, and you'll get a bird's-eye view of the Palm Jumeirah and the Arabian Gulf. As this is your last day, you should try to visit Museum of the Future, which is now one of the most well-known sites in the city. The Museum of the Future welcomes people of all ages to see, touch, and shape our shared future. Go on a journey through possible futures and bring hope and knowledge back to the present. Dubai Frame is one of the city's most famous attractions for visitors and residents alike. Much like the Burj Khalifa and Burj Al Arab's iconic structures, the building's landmark location in Zabil Park provides panoramic views of the city. At 150 meters tall and 93 meters wide with a bridge connecting the two towers, Dubai Frame has a unique concept to its structure. Resembling a picture frame, Dubai's historic district can be seen to the north while the south provides breathtaking vistas of the modern cityscape. In the evening, make sure to catch a traditional Arabic performance, such as a belly dancing show or a falconry display. These shows are a great way to experience the culture and traditions of the region and are often very entertaining. Thank you for joining us on our tour of Dubai. We hope that our recommendations have inspired you to visit this amazing city and make the most of your time there. From the iconic Burj Khalifa to the beautiful beaches and endless dining and shopping options, Dubai truly has something for everyone. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual tour of Dubai and that it's left you wanting to visit in person. If you have any further questions about things to do or see in Dubai, feel free to leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you back for more travel inspiration and destination guides in the future. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please press the like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know which of these places you are going to add to your bucket list for your next visit to Dubai. To watch more content like this, subscribe to Travel Spot and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.